I am sliding in under the wire to get my video in for Flour, Eggs, and Yeast's Spring Cake Challenge 2021. Yo, Teresa and Cam in house. Oh, look, there's flour, eggs, and yeast in their actual house. I'm going to be taking a classic spring flavor, lemon, and putting it in something unexpected, brownies. Plus, as I always do, I will make it healthier while still tasting great. These brownies turned out fabulously, a little chewy on the inside, a little crisp on the outside, and with the unmistakable zing and tartness of lemon.
Ooh.
Okay, so I won't win any awards for my glazing aesthetics, but the taste is mind-blowing. Now, how am I going to make healthy brownies that don't suck, you ask? Simple. 2 ingredient swaps. 1. Swap out white flour because it's not a whole grain. Replace it with teff flour, which is a whole grain. You can also see how I made injera, an African sourdough flatbread, traditionally made with teff flour, by clicking on the iCard above. 2. Swap out nasty man-made white sugar with my favorite natural zero-calorie sweetener, monkfruit. We'll also need a quarter cup of butter, softened, vanilla extract, salt, 3 large eggs, and lemon juice plus lemon zest. By the way, do you know what you give an injured lemon? Lemonade. While you prepare the batter, preheat your oven to 350 F 180 C and grease an 8-inch by 8-inch baking pan with spray coconut oil or a little butter. And also, while you're waiting, please subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss any more healthy, delicious recipes intermingled with questionable humor. Beat the teff flour, the monk fruit, the butter, vanilla, and salt in a large bowl with an electric mixer until it's combined. It'll resemble the consistency of crumbly brown sugar at this point. Next, add the eggs, 2 tablespoons lemon juice, and 1 tablespoon lemon zest. Incidentally, do you know why the lemon stopped in the middle of the road? He ran out of juice. In order to properly zest a lemon, you want to stop as soon as you see the white part of the peel. If you keep going and get that white pith, it will add a bitter taste, and that is the complete opposite of what we're going for here. Continue beating the batter until it's smooth. Then pour it into your prepared baking dish and let it sit for at least 10 minutes. This will allow the teff grains to absorb the liquids. Then bake until a toothpick inserted in the center comes out clean, 20 to 22 minutes, and cool completely because we don't want to melt our glaze. Say, do you know why the lemon disapproved of his daughter? Because she was a little tart. While your brownies are cooling, take the powdered monk fruit. What's that? Oh, you don't have any powdered monk fruit? Neither do I. There's an easy fix for that. Just grind it in a spice grinder or blender until it's powdered. Now whisk your powdered monk fruit and the remaining 1 tablespoon lemon juice and 1 teaspoon lemon zest in a small bowl to make the glaze. When the brownies are cool, spread the glaze over the top. My glaze was a little too runny, so these brownies aren't winning any beauty contests anytime soon, but I'll put their taste up against anyone. I hope you've enjoyed this recipe and my corny jokes. Please do subscribe and comment below. I'd love to hear from you. Thanks again to Flour, Eggs, and Yeast for hosting the Spring Cake Challenge 2021. They've got some amazing creations on their channel, so be sure to check them out. Now, go ahead and spring into one of the videos appearing on the screen.